Hello from Adventure Isle, and today I will be opening this whole box of Disney Princess Cutie Cuffs. And I love all these princesses, but I really hope I get Ariel first. Let's open it. So, there are 8 potential princesses you can get. I'm going to tell you which ones you can get. So, you can get Tiana, Merida, Aurora, Snow White, Cinderella, Pocahontas, Ariel, or Belle. And those are all the princesses I could get in these boxes. Let's open them now. Okay, I think this one's Belle because there are 3 holes and that looks like her hair. So, okay, it's Tiana! And then here's the little manual about which ones you could get. I got Tiana, but I can show you that's where she is on the manual. And then there's these guys, and then those. So this is Tiana, and you can just open her thing. And Cutie Cups are basically stuffy snap bracelets that you can like snap on and it looks cute. But this is what she looks like. Here's her face. And then over here you can see her gown. Oh, and she has a crown up here. And then if you go over here, these are like gloves. And there's a cute little bow. So that's Tiana. Let's put her on my wrist. And this is what I'm going to be doing throughout the video. Just putting all the ones I found onto my wrists. Now let's open this one. Okay. Okay, open. Now it's opened. So let's see who I got. Pocahontas! So Pocahontas looks like this. You can open her. So I got Pocahontas and she looks like this. You open her, that's her cute little face. And here's her dress and her necklace. She has her little like arm band thing. I don't know what it is, and her necklace. And there's nothing really on the back. It's just a little different. Now she can go on this side. So it's actually kind of hard to open boxes with these Cutie Cuffs on. So I will be setting them down kind of in an order, and they'll just be right here laying down. Now it's time to open this one. I think it's Cinderella because look at that hair color. And then I see her skin tone a bit right there. And I think I saw a little bit of blue a minute ago, but I think it moved a little bit in the box. So I think this is Cinderella. I don't know why, I just think it is. I saw the stuff. I really think this one's Cinderella, but I hope it's Ariel. Because I haven't had Ariel and I've already opened 2 boxes. Okay. It's open. Let's open. Yes! I got Cinderella! Oh, she's so cute! But she's adorable. I'm glad I got Cinderella now. She's so pretty. So I'm going to open her arms and show you what she looks like. She's pretty up here, and then she has her little bun. And these. And it's a really nice dress. It's actually like a dress. Now I'm gonna let her look. Let's see how she looks on my arm. Okay, let's put you on here. Okay, so I'm gonna open the next one, which is on this side now. Now, Let's see who I think it's going to be. I think this is a double for Cinderella. This looks like a double for Cinderella. So let's just open it very quickly. And yep, it's a Cinderella double. So let's put her down because she's already here. There can't be 3 Cinderellas. It would be insane if there was 3 Cinderellas. But no. Let me see who I could get again. I think this one is Merida, actually. I think I saw her hair, but let's open. 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 Now I can open. Now. It's Snow White! Oh, she's so cute. So here's her open. And she has like this cute stuff. And then she has a cute little bow in her. Look at her face. Look at her face. It's just adorable. And then you look over here and you can see the back. But it's really cute. Let's see how she looks on my arm. Here we go. She's so cute. Honestly, I think she's my favorite so far. I love her. So I'm just going to set her here. And this one looks like Ariel. I finally found one with red in it. Yes. Ariel. There's green. I'm pretty sure I found my princess that I've been looking for the whole video. It's Ariel! Woohoo! I finally got her. I've been through 5 princesses. And now I get the one I wanted. Ooh, I like her hair. She looks so cute. So her head's over here, and here's her dress. And then here's her back and her hair. And she's so cute. Let's see how she looks on my wrist. So now you can look at her on my wrist. Now let's put her down and do the next one. I think I got all of those. So now I get to do the back. Okay. I think this one's Belle. I can see yellow. So I'm just going to jump to conclusions and open her. Yeah. 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 Open. Yes. It's opened. Okay, now. Hers was hard. Ooh! She's actually Aurora. I love Aurora. She's so pretty. So this is her. She has little shoes on, and then you turn her around. And she's so pretty. You can see her face. Let's do the next one. Oh, stop. Before we go on, let's see who we have and who we need. So we have Tiana, Pocahontas, Cinderella, and we have 2 of her actually. Snow White, Ariel, and Aurora. So let's see who we're missing. On this side, I can already see we're missing Merida. And on this side, I see we're missing Belle. But don't worry, we have plenty of tries to get them. So let's move on to the next one. Over here, let's see who I get. This one, I think, is a copy of her. Just because of the hair on top, I can see. So let's open it. Wow, that went pretty far. Now, let's take off the wrapper and go. I was right. I got a double of Aurora. So we've already seen Aurora. So let's go over here and see who we find. This one could be Merida. I think it could be Merida. It has a chance. So let's just open it. And over here is where the opening thingy is. No. Let's just go. Merida! I was right, and we have the new character. Now we're only missing Belle. So, she has beautiful hair. And you can see her face is very cute. And on the back side, oh, and you can see her archery arrow. She just doesn't come with a bow. Yay! Now we have Merida. I only have 3 left, so I really hope I get Belle as one of them. So over here, I'm gonna look. That has brown hair, so I hope it's Belle. Ooh, and a blue dress. So it could be Belle. That's the only character that has brown hair and a blue dress. So I'm pretty sure this one's Belle. So I have good luck. Let's Belle! She fell over, but here we are. We have Belle. So I'm gonna open her so you can see. She has her long sleeves in her dress. And then you can see her face like this. And her hair is actually really cute, and she has a bow in the back. And here's her hair. She has like a bow and a ponytail. So I love her, but let's see what doubles we got, because there's 2 more. We're just gonna open all of them and hope we get lots of different doubles. Yep. Yep. This one I think is Merida. Oh, I was right. Merida. So I got another Merida double. And I got I'm not even gonna look. So I'm just gonna open. I got a Belle double. Yeah! I love all of them, but I put them in order starting with my favorite. So it goes. Ariel, Aurora, Cinderella, Pocahontas, Snow White, Belle, Tiana, Merida, and then they're also starting with my favorite over here on my doubles list. Thank you, Cutie Cuffs! I love all of them! Now I'm gonna hug all of them. I'm gonna pick these up and hug them. I love you.